So I was going to look for a video to give to you all to show you the knots, but I didn't feel any of them were clear enough, so I'm going to try and do it. If you have any problems, I'm going to include my email in the post that comes out to you, so you can be in touch and we'll see if I can make it a bit clearer. So once we've done our hanging loop using the lark's head knots, which are a bit easier to understand, we started on our lot of 4. We had 16 strings, so we make 4 groups of 4, and we take these 4 strings, our first set of 4, and this here are the anchor threads. They stay in the center, and then we've got these 2 working threads. So we start our first lot of knots after we've made the hanging hook were half square knots, which create a spiral. So we took the left over the middle, and then we took the right on top of that, and then we threaded it up through and under, and over the left. So at this stage it should look, I would say it looks a bit like a pretzel, and you're sealing, and then you pull it up like a so, and then you do it again from the same side. So over with the left over the middle, take the right over the top of the left that's just come over, and then under the middle. Oh, I'm getting in the way of my hands. And then over the left, and then there we go, we have another knot. Then one more time, so left over the middle, right over that left that's come over, and then under the middle, and then holding that on, and then over the left, pull it tight, and you'll see it start to twist. The next lot of knots we did, so let me move this out of the way and get 4 more strings. The next lot of knots we did were called a full square knot, which is really easy. That's just basically going back from left to right, left to right. So the way we do that is we do the one that we know, we do our left knot, and then taking the left over the middle strands. Sorry, I'm trying to get this on camera still. And then we take the right over the top, underneath the left. This would be probably better if I was doing it up against a wall, so to speak, but I'm sitting at my desk. And then next, so we've got that left knot, and now we're like, oh, and we know we've done the left way because we can see that this rope, this bit of cord, is coming over as opposed to under the loop. So now what we do is we do the exact opposite. We take the right over the left, like so, and then we take the left over the top of the right, and then under the middle and over the right, and then we pull it up. I'm going to do a few more of these just so you can see the difference. And then we know we've gone from the right because it's going over the top there, and then we're left half square now, over the top of the middle, right over the top of the left, and then we're going under the middle, over the top of the left, and we're pulling up. So we've got our left square knot. The loop is, you can see really the loop is going to the left here. And now we do the right. So we take the right over the middle, and then we take the left over the top. There we go. And then we take it under and over and pull through, and then there we go. And we can start to see a ladder, and if you, yeah, you can see then the loop is facing to the right there. Yeah, and as I say, it is much easier if you can hook your work onto something to get on with it. Yeah, happy macrame!